Welcome to Global Products Teleconsultation Software. This is the main login page for MURX telemedicine or teleconsultation software. There are two parts or modules, such as the patient registration and login and doctor login. We will start with the patient registration and login for teleconsultation appointment setting. This is the main login page. A patient needs to self register from the login page by clicking on the register button. On the registration page, he needs to enter all the mandatory information such as name, creating a login ID, password, mobile number, email ID, gender, age, Skype ID. A Skype ID is required as the video calls are made over Skype. Global Products Teleconsultation Software has provided integration with Skype, and a document such as e-prescription generated within the software. Images can be attached and shared over Skype, and the address if needs to be entered. Once registered, the patient logs in to schedule a teleconsultation appointment. Logging in will take him to the appointment scheduling page. First step would be to select the clinic, next the doctor. After selecting the doctor, the patient needs to mention or type in his complaint on the appointment date page. Next is select the appointment date. On selecting the date, the four slots with the available appointment timings will be displayed for the day. Clicking on the morning slot will show the available appointment timings for teleconsultation. Similarly, for the afternoon, now over here there is no slot available for afternoon, evening, and night. Selecting the morning slot time. On selecting the date and available appointment timings, the patient will move to make the payment for teleconsultation. Clicking on update pay will direct the patient to the payment gateway where he can make the payment. Select one of the options, make the payment. Enter the OTP for the payment. On making the patient will be directed to the appointments dashboard showing his appointments. He can view his appointment details by clicking on click to view panel. If he needs to reschedule his appointment, he can do so by clicking on edit and following the above steps again. So these are the appointments for the patient. Here we will log out and log in to the doctor module to see the dashboard and how the teleconsultation is actually started. On login, the doctor is taken to the dashboard which displays the appointments for the current day and date. The appointments, teleconsultation appointments which have been completed are shown in red at the top. The consultations to be started are displayed or shown in blue just for these three patients, and the ones in progress are shown in green. The teleconsultation is started by clicking on the patient name panel. The consultation dashboard opens, which has Skype icon to start Skype video call, patient details, chief complaints which have been typed in by the patient while scheduling the appointment. The Skype call is initiated by clicking on the Skype icon, which opens up and a video call can be made. The patient details are displayed, such as his name and contact number, and if the address, the chief complaint typed in, such as this eye irritation. Diagnosis after the Skype call has been made or during the Skype call, diagnosis can be typed in by the doctor. And each prescription is generated by typing the medicine in the prescription panel and the comment and advice. The comment and advice, if any, can be typed and will be printed and displayed on the prescription. Typing in the prescription. The doctor can type in the comments or advice. Next, to generate the prescription, the doctor clicks on submit prescription for the patient. The prescription is saved successfully. If he needs to update prescription, the doctor can type in further details or can edit the prescription and click on update prescription to update it. The e-prescription is generated by clicking on print prescription, which will be saved to the desktop. Clicking on the prescription saved will display the prescription, sample prescription, which details the name of the patient, his age, gender, the visit ID, the date of visit, doctor name, doctor registration number, chief complaint, the cause of the diagnosis, the medications, and the comment and advice. The saved prescription soft copy can be emailed or sent as an attachment via Skype to the patient. Finally, the doctor can close the teleconsultation by clicking on close consultation, which will show the dashboard. Now the entire video consultation done on Skype can be recorded using the record call option which is present in Skype. Clicking on close consultation to close the visit consultation. It will take to the dashboard where the doctor can see the scheduled teleconsultation appointments and the ones which have been closed. So this is the Global Products teleconsultation software. Thank you. Global Products telemedicine software can also be used for home care and remote monitoring using Bluetooth connected digital devices, using which the patient vitals can be recorded by the caregiver. First is the oximeter for SpO2 reading. The next up is the ECG device for measuring the ECG. It's a portable device and is connected via Bluetooth. The readings can be recorded and are displayed on the smartphone via the device app. The vitals and the ECG graph can be sent by the caregiver to the doctor via the Global Products iHome Care software. This is how the ECG is recorded and sent. The ECG graph is then displayed in the iHome Care software. Next up is the blood pressure device, which too is connected via Bluetooth, and the readings, the blood pressure monitoring is being done. This device too connects via Bluetooth. All the readings are displayed via the device app. The blood pressure is being recorded along with the pulse. The vitals are transferred by the home care professional to the doctor using the iHome Care software. The doctor logs into the iHome Care software to check the patient vitals transferred by the caregiver. The doctor logs into iHome Care. Next, he checks the vitals by clicking on the dashboard. It shows the patient ID and the patient dashboard. The doctor can consult with the caregiver by placing a video call via Skype, which is integrated into the iHome Care software. So this is the Global Products telemedicine software for remote monitoring using Bluetooth connected devices. Thank you.